Right, so we're given some information in our question. First of all, we're told that we have an 8-sided die, and we want to know what the probability of rolling a 5 is 3 times. So we're going to do the experiment we want to have 3 successes, and we're going to do the experiment 10 times. So for this type of question, we're going to identify using our binomial probability what these various variables are. K, remember, is the number of successes. And so remember we had 3 successes, so K will be equal to 3. P is equal to the probability of a success. So since there are 8 numbers on the die, the probability of rolling a 5 is 1 out of 8. The probability of failure is 1 minus P for Q, which is going to be 1 minus 1/8, which is 7/8, of course. And lastly, and we could have identified this first, N is the number of times we're going to perform the experiment, so we're going to roll the dice 10 times. So when we sub in the probability of 3 successes of rolling a 5, so we're going to roll a 5 3 times, will be 10 choose 3 times 1 over 8 to the power of 3, and this will be 7 over 8 to the power of 7. So this is going to be 120 times 1/8 to the power 3 times 7/8 to the power 7, and you should get approximately 0.092 as your solution. So we're told that a certain type of light bulb has a 2.4% failure rate. So if we select 800 light bulbs and test them, then we're going to expect 2.4% of that 800 to fail. So we're going to apply our formula here, and this will just be n, the number of experiments, is going to be 800, and the probability in this case of it's successful means the number of light bulbs that we found that fail is going to be 0.024. And we would expect then 19.2, or approximately 19 light bulbs would fail.